Welcome to your car journey. Swipe smarter, save bigger.
Welcome to your car journey. In this video, we'll see how HDFC SmartBuy portal can be used to save at most 80% of your amount on the hotel revenue. I logged into HDFC Tenants Plus portal. So here you see an option to make the bookings using 10x rewards. It navigates to the required page. So you'll choose your location and you'll put in checkout and check-in details. And once you hit on the search button, it retrieves the hotel listing using your mainstream OTA platforms. Price that you see in SmartBuy portal, it is as equivalent to your standard OTA portal. However, the only difference is you may not able to use any coupons. Important criteria one has to look at is the cancellation policy is bit different as you book through your SmartBuy portal. In some cases, the OTAs provide free cancellation till the check-in. However, here the cancellation policy varies based on the property time to time. So it is important that you cross-check on the cancellation policy. As I am making this payment using my DCB, over and above what I see the price, I'll get this 10x rewards on the revenue booking. As you see, I could able to use 70% of overall revenue using the DCP point. Thus, my conversion rate for every DCP point, the monetary value what I'm receiving is 1. Remaining 30% of the amount, I make use of my credit DCB card to go ahead on the payment. And as stated, on the revenue that you are making outside of your account balance are eligible to receive 10x. So SmartBuy will send you the PDF on the hotel confirmation. So my overall savings would go up to 80%. It is recommended that so you always make use of your DCB point against your flight booking or either hotel booking, as the monetary value for every DCB point is equivalent to 1 INR. Let's wrap up the discussion. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.